Hello, I am Francisco Ruiz, the author of Passlog Privacy App, which is now in version 1.4.01. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new feature, which is the split join button. This button implements what is called as the Shamir secret sharing scheme, which splits a secret into multiple parts, which can be reunited later. Let me show you. I'm going to click here on show so you can see what I'm typing. I'll eat 42 bananas. Very difficult password to guess. And I'm going to split it into how many parts? Passlog will ask me how many. If I don't say anything, it will understand it's 2. Let's say that it's 4 parts. Okay, immediately box 2 gets filled with those 4 parts, which can be sent to different people or can be stashed in different locations. This will allow me to reconstruct the original secret if I don't have it. If I clear this box, I place all these parts in a separate line, each of them in box 2. If I click split join again, the secret is reconstructed. I need to have all of these parts in order for this to work. Let's see what happens if I'm missing one. Say I'm cutting this one out and I only have 3. What will happen then? It tells me that I need one more part in box 2. I don't want to proceed according to the tags. Yes, the tags tell me that I need to have 4 parts. So if I don't have 4 parts, it won't work. Let's put it back on. Observe that they are all different. They need to be different, of course. Yes, I get it back. Now, you can have spare parts so that only 4 are needed, but you have more than the minimum 4. So how do you do that? Well, you hit the split join button again for every extra part that you want, with the key being displayed here. So if I hit once, now I have 5, 6, 7. Okay, I have made 7 parts. In fact, let's have 8. So I have a complete set of new parts. The bottom 4 are new, and the top 4 I'm just going to delete. So these new parts are just made. They were originally spares. Will they work? We'll see. Yes, they work too. In fact, they all work as if they were part of the original set. But if I'm missing one, well, it shouldn't work. That's right, it will not work. So this is the split join button, which allows you to split a secret into multiple parts that you can put in different locations, give to different people, and you can rejoin them if you have a quorum, which is expressed in the tag. There is always a number at the end of the tags. Thank you.